Okay, hello everyone. In the previous video, we have used pattern command to create a array of holes or to create multiple holes. We did use pattern command, but in a linear direction. Those holes were placed in either in the horizontal direction or in the vertical direction. Now, if you want to create multiple holes in a circular profile, so you can again select the pattern, but this time instead of using direction, you have to provide an axis about which you want to rotate your holes. So let's start with this. So first, I'm going to create a circular profile. So suppose I'm going to select this one, sketch, normal. Now a circle. Suppose this is the circle. Double click the middle mouse. Single click to the middle mouse button. Double click dimension line. Suppose this is 300. Just okay. Extrude. Extrude, change the dimension. I'm going to make it 50 and it should be about the mid plane. Now just press OK. Now suppose I want to create a hole which will start from the surface. So just click this surface. There's a flat surface, so we can directly select the surface and start the sketch one. Select the top surface. Now create sketch, normal. Now I'm going to create a circle over here like this. Just press the middle mouse button, change the diameter to, suppose I'm going to make it 60. Now I want to create a through hole. One way to create hole is using the hole command. Another way is again by using the extrude command. But like you will see how this thing I'm going to extrude it, this one now. But extruding uh, instead of extruding to add material, I'm going to extrude it by removing material. So this hole, this profile, if it going to pass through this circular profile, it will remove the material which comes in contact with this. So just flip the direction. Now this circular profile is going to delete material which comes in contact with this one. So this thing is coming in contact with this one. So just clicking here, this is remove material. Just click this. So the material has been removed from the surface. Now just press OK. So this is a cutted profile. Suppose I want to create multiple these type of cuts around the circumference of the circle. So I can do just one thing. Just select this extrude. Now again select the pattern command. Okay. Now from this drop down menu, select the axis about which you want to rotate this profile. So if you zoom this in, you'll find this axis. Just click this. Now it is going to revolve around this. If you want to place these things, initially 4 cuts has been selected. If you want them to be placed at 90-degree, it will look like this. If you want them to be at a 45-degree, so this is how they are going to be arranged. Or simply you can select this one. So these cuts, there will be 4 cuts which will be arranged in a 360-degree. So you can increase these cuts. Instead of 5, I'm going to make 8 and just press OK. So now we have 8 cuts which are distributed all over the circumference of this circular profile. So this is how we can select the pattern command for creating multiple profiles in a circular direction. Okay, thank you.